Hello, hello, hello. I'm here to try this Choice Organics Smooth Roast Bloom and Brew Prua tea. I probably didn't pronounce that correctly. Prua. I will see if I can find a link. I've got me a heaping cup of this right here. I did taste it when it first got done steeping before I added anything to it, and really it's just a very strong, deep, bitter tea flavor. So I added, and this is a pretty, as you can see, a pretty large mug, and it's filled all the way up to here. I added 3 teaspoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of oat milk, which has given it a very pretty color, very mocha-y color. Now with flavor, it took it from bitter, that deep bitter tea flavor, and really kind of brought it back, made it warm and cozy. In this, it says there is Prua tea, which I'm not familiar with, roasted chicory root, roasted dandelion root, carob pod, coffee extract, and roasted chicory extract. Okay, so that coffee extract might be what gave it that depth flavor, that really deep bitter flavor. The sugar and the oat milk have really like took the bitter away, but left that nice deep, the depth of flavor. And it's really good. Yeah, I can't identify any of the flavors because my palate's just not that refined. But I would get this again. I would recommend it to others if you're looking for a tea that has a really warm, deep flavor profile. Then I would say this is going to be the one for you. If you've tried this before, let me know what you thought of it. And if you have not tried this before, do you drink hot teas? Let me know. Some people don't at all. I used to not, but I've been trying to acclimate myself. So this is, I think, day 5 of a tea every morning as upon wake up. So I've heard there's a lot of benefits to drinking hot tea and herbal teas, so I am trying to get some of those benefits. Let me know down below if you drink hot tea or not, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.